Hi, this is Mrs. Blaisdell. Today we're doing activity 47, ringtones, which is a clustered bar graph or chart. And basically we're dealing with these ringtones. So what we need to do is do numbers 1 through 8 and format correctly. And then we're going to go to number 9, create a bar chart as follows. So we're going to select B4 through 24 and D4 through 24 at the same time. So we select B4 through 24. Then we use our control key, press down on it, and select D4 through 24. Once we get those, then we want to go to Insert, and we want to choose the bar chart or column chart, and then we want to choose from that the one that goes to the side, the 2D bar, the first one. So it's a clustered bar. Once we choose that, it's not going to show us everything yet, but that's okay. And what we're going to do from there is we're going to set the data range of the series in columns, and that's actually already done on this one, so that's the default. We need to make sure we have a title and axes titles and the legend to the right. So we're going to go back up to our quick layout, and we're going to choose one that has that kind of thing. Make sure we have a title, axes titles, and legend. So layout 8, which is the bottom of the middle column, is probably the best one for us. The title should be weeks in the top 20, and that's there. The axis title here should be ringtones, and the axis title down here should be number of weeks. So hashtag of weeks. And then there should be a legend to the right. It says show no data labels, and none are shown, so we don't need to change anything there. The next thing it wants us to do is to save it as a new sheet. So we're going to move the chart and new sheet, and it would like it to be called ringtones chart. Always good if you put a C in chart. Okay, there we go. And click OK. It should move it to another page. Here we would like to format it, change the font size of the ringtone titles to 7 point. So if I click over here and choose the ringtone titles, then I can go to that home tab that gives us, the things that look like Word, and we can choose 7 point. It's not there, so we have to basically type it in. So we type in a 7, press enter, and it will change it to 7 point. You can do that for any number that's not actually there. You can format the style of the chart. It wants you to change the font size of the ringtone titles to 7. Oops, sorry, just did that. Change the font size of the title to 16 point bold. Click on it, 16 point bold. And it also wants the text alignment of the ringtones to be 25 degrees. Okay, here's something new and fun. So we're going to click on our ringtones again, and you'll notice that it says Format Axis over here. We are going to click on the axis options. Sorry, forgive me. The cross in the box, and you will see text direction. Right? And we've used that before, but it only has like 90 degrees. So we need to use a custom angle. And here's the fun part. It tells you to do it at 25 degrees, but it won't look like the example if you do that. You have to do negative 25. So minus 25. If you do that and you press enter, it will look like the sample on page 114. And that's what we want it to look like. Once we have done that, you are really done. You just need to put headers and footers on both pages, the chart and the spreadsheet. Save it and send it up to eLocker and get a great grade. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.